Hey, good evening, everyone. Good motorcycle morning. It is rainy and cold. I must be bolder because I'm on my motorcycle. I don't know rhymes with motorcycle. It's not a bicycle. I don't know. Hello, everyone. Hello. I was talking about my heart too this morning. Hello. Seems like it's so easy to imitate her greeting, but it's really not for me. Hello. There's a lot of cars going into Gibsonville. What is up with all them cars going into Gibsonville? There's my brake. Oh Lord, it's silly. What are we gonna do about our legs, people? Good motorcycle morning. So, it seems all the motovloggers got the Icon variant helmet, right? I think I might give me one too. What do y'all think? Right now, I'm riding and it's pretty chilly. I'm thinking that chin guard or that chin curtain or whatever you call it could cut down on the neckage, on the necking, on the wind on the neck. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. I think that would definitely help some. And from what I hear, it has much better air control. Not only better airflow, but when you turn them off, they're off. You know what I mean? Not a lot of leaking. That would be awesome in a cold situation. Good time to go to sleep, y'all. Real good time to go to sleep. But not on a motorcycle. Don't go to sleep on a motorcycle. That could be detrimental to your health. Yes, it could. Every day I'm riding them. I wonder how this new thing looks. Goodness. I'm gonna get some sleep, y'all. Every day I'm shuffling. Put your hands up. 안녕하세요.
Hey, and thanks for watching SightWorks. Do you like tech reviews, moto vlogs, martial arts, and funny interviews? I know, me too! That's why you should subscribe below for more episodes from Exposed Tomato, Good Motorcycle Morning, Kick in the Head, and Meet the. You can subscribe right here. Thanks and bye!